In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change Trello card colors quickly and easily. If you use Trello to manage projects, tasks, or content planning, adding colors to your cards can make a huge difference in staying organized and spotting priorities at a glance. The good news is that Trello makes this incredibly simple using labels, and in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, you need to go to the Trello board that you want to update. Open your browser and log in to your Trello account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace with all your boards. Click on the specific board where the card is located. This could be a marketing board, a project management board, a content calendar, or any board you're currently working on. Make sure you're inside the correct board before moving on to the next step. Next, find the card that you want to change the color of. Scroll through your lists and locate the specific card you'd like to update. Once you find it, click directly on the card. This will open the card details panel, where you can edit descriptions, add attachments, assign members, set due dates, and most importantly for this tutorial, manage labels. Now that the card details window is open, look for the labels option. On the right-hand side of the card panel, you'll see different action buttons like members, labels, checklist, dates, and more. Click on labels. This is where Trello allows you to assign colors to your cards. In Trello, card colors are controlled through labels, so whenever you want to change a card's color, this is the section you'll use. After clicking on Labels, you'll see a selection of colored label options. Trello provides several default colors like green, yellow, orange, red, purple, and blue. To apply a color to your card, simply click on the color you want. As soon as you click it, the label will be applied instantly to the card. You'll see the color appear at the top of the card, both inside the detailed view and back on the main board view. If you want, you can also customize your labels by editing their names. For example, you might use green for completed tasks, red for urgent items, or blue for client-related work. You can click the edit icon next to a label color to rename it and make your board even more organized. This is especially useful if you're working with a team and need everyone to understand what each color represents. Once you've selected the color you want, all that's left to do is close the panel to view the changes. Simply click outside the card window or press the close button. When you return to the main board view, you'll see your card now displays the selected color label clearly. This makes it much easier to visually scan your board and identify tasks based on category, urgency, or workflow stage. And that's it. That's how you change Trello card colors using labels. It's a simple feature, but it can dramatically improve your productivity and board organization. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.